Let's talk now about that budget that President Biden is rolling out. As I mentioned, the price tag is a whopper. $6 trillion represents the highest level of federal spending since the Second World War. We have our chief political correspondent, Jessica Smith, here with all of the details. Hi, Jess.
Hi, Kristen. We are expecting to get the full budget proposal tomorrow, but the New York Times is reporting some of what we expect to see in it. As you mentioned, it does come with a $6 trillion price tag, and we are not expecting any real surprise initiatives included in this budget. It's expected to be largely based on the American Families Plan, on the American Jobs Plan, those investments that the president has already proposed in infrastructure, in what they call the care economy, those types of proposals. Now, the White House will predict, according to the Washington Post, that the economy will grow by 5% in 2021 and then 4.3% next year, and then around 2% for the next decade. The White House is also saying that they expect to run deficits of more than $1 trillion over the next decade. But again, the president is set to unveil this tomorrow, so we'll be able to bring you more details about this budget at that time.
All right. Now, Jess, I know that Senate GOP unveiling its counter infrastructure proposal, $928 billion. What are some of the details there?
Yeah, $928 billion. That is up from their initial counter proposal of $568 billion. So quite a bit more there. Some of the things that are going to be included: $500 billion for roads and bridges. There's also money for ports and waterways, for passenger and freight rail, public transit systems. The Republicans are really focused on traditional physical infrastructure in addition to broadband. Those are the areas where they want the infrastructure package to focus. Of course, the White House wants to see more things like climate measures and other care economy measures included in the infrastructure package. The White House says that it's encouraging to see the increase in the top line number. They're going to continue to look over this proposal, then talk to lawmakers over the next week. But it's still going to be difficult for them to come together and agree on this, especially when you look at how to pay for it. The president wants to raise taxes on corporations, and Republicans once again today made it very clear that that is something they are not considering. They will not get on board with hiking taxes on corporations or altering the 2017 tax cuts. They want to repurpose some unused COVID funding in order to pay for an infrastructure package. The White House says they don't think that funding is there. They're worried that could take from other relief programs funding. So there is that big disagreement about what actually is infrastructure, what should be included in the package, and again, how to pay for it.